Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to fix a strap on the back of one of these lawn chairs. I don't know how many times this little strap has come. It basically just snaps off and you're like, you gotta tie it or you gotta mess with it. I'm gonna show you how to fix the little strap on the lawn chair really quick to put it just as good as it was before. And in short order, all you need is really a drill bit, and a drill, and a rivet gun. If you don't have one, they're, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks, but they're great for working on gutters or really a lot of different things, trunks, and it's gonna do on the strap because we're gonna show you how to replace one. All right, so right here is the old rivet, and this is where that strap went in. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take a drill, we're gonna get a bit about the same size, and we're simply gonna drill that rivet out. Then you're simply gonna get a rivet that can replace that, okay? Now the strap, unless you can find that exact hole, which we might be able to do, you need to come back in and simply put it on a piece of wood or whatever. I'll do it with my hand, but you want to put it on something, and you're simply going to drill through or punch through. You could use a hammer or something, and you're going to make a hole big enough to slide this rivet through. So your rivet's going to be boom like that, okay? And then you're simply going to put it in the hole and attach your rivet gun to it and squeeze it off. Now the way the rivet gun works is this goes in your rivet gun, and your rivet gun has different sizes of nozzles that'll fit on it. And you simply take and slide it in there, put this in the hole that you've already made or want to attach something or attach two things together, and then you're simply going to squeeze the rivet gun twice, and when it pops off, the rivet stays in the hole and this back part falls off. So we're going to put that in there. All right, I'm going to show you how a rivet gun works real quick. You've got these different sizes that basically match up to the diameter of the post on the back of the rivet. And you're going to match that up. You insert this, and anytime you've got like two holes on a gutter or two holes on something that you want to hold together and you don't want to use a screw, what you're going to do is you're going to put it in the gun, you squeeze it once, and what that does is that kind of crimps it. And then the second time, it should snap it. We'll see if it does or not. It didn't. Try it a third time. Oh, it did. Just didn't. There was not enough resistance to snap it off. So what it does is it crimps it. So if you look real close, this bulged out now. This bulged out. So the rivet and the bulge holds those two pieces together, and then this front part snaps away and you're left with just the rivet. So when it snaps, the post falls out into the gun, and then you're left with just this bulging rivet. And the rivet's on one side and the bulge is on the other, and whatever hole is in between that rivet and the bulge is what stays in place. That's how it works. So in 5 minutes, you can have your hole drilled out, the old rivet drilled out, and your strap back on, ready to go in about 5 minutes.